All right, what's going on, guys? Hey, today we are going to be checking out some pellets from Bear Mountain, the pellet company. They make all type of flavored pellets, and they also have some special blends. They sent us 4 bags of pellets, different flavors, and we're testing out each and every one of them. Today we're going to be testing out the sweet barbecue, sweet smoky flavor pellets. I love Bear Mountain pellets, man. They produce really good smoke, and they I never get any kind of clogs or anything in my auger, as I have with a few other different brands. Okay, so but I use Bear Mountain among some others, but Bear Mountain is like my go-to pellet if I have a choice. All right, so like I said, this video is sponsored by Bear Mountain, and we have 2 different pellet smokers going today, and we are going to see how all these sets of ribs turn out. So let me show you what's on the grill. All right, so on the RecTeq 1070, we got a couple of slabs of ribs on here. These are seasoned with the Bayou Bodacious rub that I found online. That's I believe it's a Chris Lilly rub recipe. I'll put it in the description block if you guys are interested in trying it. We're spritzing with a combination of apple cider and soy sauce. So we're just keeping them moist. They've been on for about 2 hours. We'll wrap in about an hour, and then we'll take these bad boys to about the 5-hour mark. All right. All right, folks. On this one here, this is the RecTeq 1070, and this one here is a slab of ribs. This one is seasoned with the Badia fajita seasoning. All right, so we're going with a fajita style on this set of ribs here. I got it set at 250 degrees, and like I said, both pellet smokers are using the Bear Mountain Sweet BBQ pellets. All right, we're going to go ahead and check these now. These have been cooking on here for close to 3 hours, so they're almost ready to wrap. Got some decent bone pulled back. So we're gonna get ready to wrap these bad boys, but we're gonna put these in a pan instead of in just foil, and put some liquid in them. So let's go ahead and take care of that now. All right, we got our pan here. These are already tender, but we're gonna make them just even that much more tender. We'll put 2 in here. All we really want to do is steam them. I know they're on top of each other, but it'd be all right. And we're going to put a little bit more apple cider down in the bottom, just to give it some steaming liquid to start off with. And we're going to cover the whole thing with foil. And it's going to go back in the smoker for another hour, hour and a half. Because the person I'm cooking this for probably wants to fall off the bone. All right, back in here, and we'll see you in an hour. All right, guys, so these have been on for about an hour. We'll pull these off. I think these are pretty tender. Yeah, I think these are ready. Yeah, they're breaking. Oh, yeah, they're breaking. All right, so we can go ahead and take these bad boys off. All right, guys, we're going to check on our fajita ribs. They're looking really good. Got some bone pulled back working. I like the color. I'm going to leave them on here for a few more minutes. I'm gonna spritz them, and then we're gonna wrap. So give myself another 15-20 minutes with these, and then I'm gonna wrap. All right, guys, so we got our butcher paper laid out. Unfortunately, the wind does not want to cooperate today. I'm sure some of you guys have had to deal with this. All right, there are our fajita ribs, looking good. Slide these back some. Get them rolled up. All right, let's get them back on the smoker. All right, it started to rain outside, so I had to, when I pulled these off, I put them in here, let them rest for, been resting for a couple hours because I got tired of doing some other stuff, but we're gonna go ahead and take a look at these and cut into them and see how they taste. Let's get these unwrapped. They feel kind of warm. They've been sitting in here for quite a while, but they look good. Oh, they tearing. So these are our fajita ribs. I didn't get a chance to taste the other ones because the other ribs weren't mine. I was cooking those ribs, I should say, for one of my co-workers. Cut the rib tip off of the top of the rib because I didn't trim these. And actually, they're pulling apart. They're so tender. All right. Hitting the bone. All right, so just to recap a little bit, these were seasoned with the Badia fajita seasoning, and I just used a little oil for binder, and they were spritzed with apple cider, a combination of apple cider and soy sauce. All right, so oh, they smell fantastic, man. Got some good bite through, even though they're really tender. Backyard cooking, definitely not really competition style, but these are fall off the bone. These taste really good, and they got a great smoke ring on here. As I bite into them, it's really pink. So love the Bear Mountain pellets and the job that they did. Get another bite. Man, these are fantastic, okay? Well, that's about it, okay? I want to thank the folks out at Bear Mountain for sending us those pellets, okay? As usual, Bear Mountain Pellets do a fantastic job, all right? We'll be doing some other videos on the other pellets and the other cooking woods that they sent us, so be looking for that in the near future, okay? Hey, like we always say, where there's smoke, there's fire. If it's fire, then damn it, there just might be a barbecue there. Hey, as always, hey, we'll see you guys around the smoker.